In this video, I wanted to talk about the changes in the Visa Bulletin that started in August of 2013, continued through September 2013, and the changes that we're looking at October 2013. Well, in August of 2013, as you may know, the Visa Bulletin for category F2A, which is spouses of green card holders and parents of green card holder parents for kids under the age of 21, are able to file for those particular relatives and allow them to adjust their status inside the United States because the visas for this categories become current. Typically, spouses of green card holders had to wait 2-3 years before those visas became current, and if they were present inside the US, they had to be here legally in a different status, like a student or work visa. Well, as of August 2013, those people could file for their adjustment of status. But if you look at the Visa Bulletin of October, that date already retrogressed by a month, which means that it's very important to file those petitions before the end of September, which means that if you're a green card holder and you're married to a foreign national, you are able to file for their adjustment of status before the end of September 2013, which is very important to act now. But what's going to happen in October or later when the visas are going to go back? Just like we've seen the Visa Bulletin for October. Well, it doesn't matter. As long as you file this petition before the end of September, you are able to keep your spouse here and continue renewing the work authorization until the visas become current again, whenever they are current again. And at this point, it's very difficult to predict that. So the reality is that if your spouse is inside the US in legal status, or child under the age of 21 legal status, you are able to file for the adjustment of status before the end of September. It's very important to do so because in October, the visas, again, they retrogress, and you're not going to be able to file for the adjustment of status. So we just wanted to explain in this video the meaning of retrogression, meaning that when visas go back in October, a person who is married to a green card holder will no longer be able to file their adjustment of status if they are currently in the US. But now, because we're still in September, you're able to do it right away, and by all means do so in the next 2 weeks. If you have any questions about the retrogression of the F2A category or any other questions about the Visa Bulletin, please post them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next videos.